Brendon Hartley suffers helmet hiccup in US Grand Prix F1 practice session. Brendon Hartley suffers helmet hiccup in US Grand Prix F1 practice session. Brendon Hartley completes a lap in practice session 2 for the US Formula 1 Grand Prix. Going full throttle almost took on a new meaning for Brendon Hartley after his helmet lifted at speed during his first Formula 1 practice session. The first New Zealand Formula 1 driver for 33 years otherwise sounded pretty happy with his day's work, despite collecting a 25-place grid penalty before he had even stepped into the car at the US Grand Prix. Hartley completed 69 laps, more than a race distance, and went through the preset program with barely a hiccup in the Toro Rosso car. At the end of the afternoon he was 17th. There's not much wiggle room in the driver's seat of a F1 car, as Brendon Hartley shows here in his Toro Rosso car. He appeared completely unfazed when talking to reporters afterwards. The pit crew at Toro Rosso prepare the car for Brendon Hartley ahead of the first practice session. For a man who had not driven a Formula 1 car since 2010, another era altogether, and whose last single-seater outing was in 2012, it all stacked up to an impressive and memorable experience. I'm 27, I'm not a young rookie, he said by way of explanation for the laid-back approach. It was a pretty positive first day. I tried to not overthink it, I just tried to go out and see how I felt in the first session. Kiwi Motorsport ace Brendon Hartley. I kept the car, on track, made good progression through the day, did a lot of practice starts, pit stop practice which was something quite new to me. And it's only taking 2.5 seconds. A Le Mans 24 Hours winner with Porsche and also a World Endurance Champion, Hartley is no stranger to high-performance racing, but he recognized he still had a lot to learn, particularly through the quick corners, and to improve on before Monday's race. Whatever his grid position after qualifying, the New Zealander will be starting at the back due to an engine switch he inherited as a result of being a late replacement for absent Frenchman Pierre Gasly. Brendon Hartley was just 2.9 seconds off the pace in the first practice session. Hartley cannot change that, but there is unlikely to be any repeat of the helmet problem. We had some issues with the helmet lifting up and trying to choke me, he said. I guess they designed the car around a certain helmet and I've turned up with a different one. So we're getting on top of that. Brendon Hartley laps the circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas, during the first practice session ahead of the US GP. The team added a small windshield and there will be continuing tweaks with the driver's seat, but otherwise Hartley felt at home. I feel positive I can do the drive come Sunday, Monday NZT, he said. The feedback I got so far from everyone was positive. They were really happy with the long run and how I managed the tires at the end, which is a big part of the job. Brendon Hartley's crash helmet and racing uniform. Lewis Hamilton, ENG/Mayer 1 minute 34.668 seconds. Max Verstappen, Ned/RBR, plus 0.397. Brendon Hartley posted the 14th fastest time of the first practice session. Sebastian Vettel, Ger/Fer, 0.524. Valtteri Bottas, Finn/Mayer, 0.611. Daniel Ricciardo, Aus/RBR, 0.795. Kimi Räikkönen, Finn/Fer, 0.846. Fernando Alonso, ESP/MCL, 1.636. Felipe Massa, BRA/Will, 1.792. Sergio Perez, MEX/4, 1.813. Esteban Ocon, FRA/4, 1.822. Carlos Sainz Jr., ESP/Ren, 1.861. Nico Hülkenberg, JR/Ren, 1.866. Daniel Kvyat, Rus/STR, 2093. Kevin Magnussen, Den/Han, 2.617. Stoffel van Dorn, Bell/MCL, 2.795. Lance Stroll, Ken/Will, 3.120. Brendon Hartley, NZL/STR, 3.319. Pascal Wehrlein, JR/Saul, 3.497. Marcus Ericsson, SWE/Saul, 3.594. Romain Grosjean, FRA/Han, 3.719.